In today's Blockrevision episode, I'll present you just a trade idea section as this week episodes has been shortened in time as Blockrevision is ongoing some changes that will be introduced very soon. So trade idea section for today is Algo USDT. Algorand is a cryptocurrency that is tradable on Binance and is a competitor to Ethereum. Recently, we had a ton of good news for Algorand ecosystem. There were introduced new smart contracts that are favoring development of decentralized finance sector, and also other funds, whether it's crypto or traditional funds are claiming that they are making new investments in Algorand ecosystem. So also there are some new funds on the way that are aiming to put even hundreds of millions towards this exactly growing protocol. So Algorand right now is traded at $2 and had a massive ride during recent weeks. So right now we are forming something that is called a bull flag. Then we can find there is a tail of a flag, and right now we are forming something like a channel that is limited by 1.85 and also 2.5 dollars. So lower limit is made by this recent resistance. So the support, so the resistance became a support right now. So it means that we are on the way to sustain this recent growth. So in terms of funding rates, because it's important in order to find whether we are not in the spot where there are lots of traders putting pressure on its growth, we can find that Algorand right now is rather in the negative area of sentiment. So it means that Algo may be in a possible area that is putting this asset to trade higher. So for us, as we are in a bull market, funding rates go into the negative territory, showing us that the correction might be ended and we might build another leg higher. So in terms of bull flags, it's often introduced by theoretical technical analysis that the extension of a possible another leg higher should be similar to the extension of a tail of this exactly flag. So it might send us from here even up to $3.43. So in terms of trade idea, I would find a possibility to make an entrance right at this level as we are right now, with an extension at least towards recent high of 2.5 USD, with a risk reward ratio right now at 3.12. We can obviously make a even more ambitious extension of this possible end of another leg that I have mentioned before, with a possible risk reward ratio at 7.4 points. So it's very advantageous in terms of trading to have the risk reward ratio at exactly this level, So in terms of events that might push Algorand higher, there are two on the way. That is firstly the mainnet 2021. So it's something like an event that is gathering lots of crypto leaders, and also at 30th of September or earlier, there are programmable liquidity. So also that another protocol is introducing an automated market makers for Algorand. So something that made Algorand such a robust investment in a recent time was this turn from this centralization to decentralization process that is increasing. So right now Algorand might be on the verge of another rise higher, and if you are looking for even more profitable trade than I have appointed, we can get an area of an entrance right at this level at 1.87 and limited to the upside at 2.15. So if the price will just exceed any of these boundaries, I wouldn't find this proposition of a trade as to be valid. But right now you can even set an alarm at this support right at the 1.9, and if the price will approach this area, I would bet on Algorand to the upside. So right now, just remember about risk management. If the price will get lower below this recent lows of 1.84, I would bet this stock to get even lower below this line of 1.83 that was previously as a resistance, right now becoming a support. So that's it for today's episode. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below the video. Thank you very much for watching.